been bed rotting all day, and I finally have my camera, which means I had to be productive now. I don't know what I want to, I don't really want to make my bed. I kind of just want to like bed rot more. I don't know what I want. It's been like so cozy all morning, like I just don't want to leave it. I have literally been bed rotting on my iPad. I'm turning into iPad kid. Oh, my cousin texted me. Oh, I have to figure out what I'm gonna wear tonight to the fair since it's gonna be chilly. I literally just want to bed rot all day today. And you know, we're gonna do that. We're gonna bed rot a little bit longer. I'm gonna try to figure out what I'm going to wear to the fair. We're gonna do some research.
Welcome back to another vlog, and also welcome to the amount of syrup. I don't even know if I can really taste it, but I feel like it also just placebos my mind.
I just got a notification that my package was delivered, so this is a sign that I have to get up now. We're gonna try this on. I got a pair of shorts for the pumpkin patch next week, so we're gonna see if this fits or not. Wait. Okay, these are a little big, so I think I need to return these and get a different size. Yeah, I feel like the white ones are way cuter. Yeah, this is way cuter. So those need to be returned because they're a little big. I don't know why I got a size big like that. I'm gonna return these. I'm gonna do a return request really quick, and I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so they were completely sold out in the size that I needed, which is fine. I'm just doing like a full return because here's the story. I had ordered these shorts with like the workwear style jackets that been going viral, and I purchased that only to get an email confirmation for only the shorts and to be told that the jacket was back ordered, like it was literally sold out. And I was like, why? I guess it was just a glitch, so I was kind of annoyed. But they basically sold me a jacket that they were sold out of. I'm doing a complete return for those shorts and getting refunded, and then I have to call sometime this week to have them cancel the order for the jacket because I can't cancel it on my end because it's back ordered, so they have to do it on their end. So yeah, it's just weird. But I am so lazy that I do not want to put together a like full fit. I literally just want to wear my workout leggings, and I'm gonna see what I have, wear like a cute sweater or like a top with the leggings and like some cute shoes, because like that's how lazy I feel right now.
So me. Yeah, nothing king. You know what would really snack tea and some maple pecan cookie, and I've been thinking about them every single day. The cookie dough thing you're meant to is flour-based butter. We've got salt and the recipe in the description. I think that's everything.
Right, it is time to fix my bed and start getting ready for the fair.
Oh! Oil, herbs. I love lots of herbs, so the stock is quite salty. Of the week, my autumn book recommendation of the week. But before I tell you about this recommended by you, this one came up so many times. I would honestly say when I popped a question thing on, I mean that doesn't really give much away, does it? I'm just reading the reviews. It takes my breath away. It's so accomplished because I definitely asked for autumnal books. Just to go with it. So I'll show you that next week. It's the most beautiful table. And I'm just sat, these guys are being treated, it will permanently be ruined. And here I am. But anyway, you just zoom back out.
it because I ripped my top. But it's okay. I kind of like this too. It's a little bit more comfy. I just don't know if I like it with these jeans. We're gonna go check my mom's stuff to see if she has any like dark skinny jeans, because I don't know, there's just something about these pants that are not like really tying the fit together. Update, so she did not have any pants for me to wear, but it's okay. Lana said I looked cute, so we're wearing this instead. We are currently waiting for Nella. Miss Nella, where are you? I'm hungry. I'm hungry, girl. We got the food. I got a burger. Some fries. Nella also got a chicken sandwich. We're sharing the fries. We in this line. It's our stomping grounds, Nella. We're in. Ooh, not the win being a paid actor. We got the birds in there. They wanna see it. You gotta tell me where I'm going. I had my head turned while we were walking. Grown ass women getting face painting. We're getting on rides now. Yeah. Keep going till the drink drops. Ready? Go. Oh my god, I think pushing us up the Going to the bathroom. We saw a fight happen. Hanela. We don't know what happened, but we saw someone snatch someone by their hair. But now we're gonna get on this ride. So excited.